Hello children, welcome back to the part 2 of lesson number 2, How Plants Survive. Children, in part 1 we have learnt about the terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants are categorized in plains, mountains, deserts, swamps and coastal areas. We have already learnt about the plants that grow in the plains. They are deciduous trees. We have also learnt about the plants that grow in the mountains. They are the evergreen trees. In today's session, we will learn about the plants that grow in the deserts, swamps, and the coastal areas. Now, let us learn about the plants that grow in the deserts. The ground in the deserts is dry. It is dry because of the weather conditions there. Because it rains very little in the desert regions. Yet the plants live and survive. The roots are adapted to absorb whatever amount of water is available. Plants like cactus of many kinds have roots that grow deeper and are spread far out under the surface of the soil. They can quickly absorb even the smallest amount of water. The roots of the cactus go deep down into the ground in search of water. They spread in the ground to find out water and help them to grow. Desert plants normally have the leaves of the cactus are like sharp spines. This is that the leaves generally reduce themselves to prevent water loss and hence they appear as spines on the cactus. The cactus plant stores food and water in its thick and fleshy stem covered with thorns. When there is no rain, the cactus uses this water in its stem. Cactus grows flowers too. Date palm trees have strong and thick leaves which help them survive in the hot and dry deserts. This is all about the plants in deserts. They generally adapt themselves to survive in the hot and the dry climate there in the deserts. Now, let us move ahead and learn about the plants that grow in the swamps. There are some places that have clayey soil and plenty of water. These areas are mostly waterlogged. But since the water cannot drain away, it collects on the ground. Because of the clayey nature of the soil in the swamps, the water cannot drain in. That's how it gets collected only on the ground. Mangrove trees grow in such marshy places or swamps. In such areas, roots of the plants grow above the ground in order to breathe. Because it becomes very difficult for the roots to breathe below the ground as the texture of the soil is clayey. This is because they are not able to breathe under the soil. Such roots are called as aerial or breathing roots. The plant matter found beneath the areas with water-like swamps gradually turn into coals. Now, let us move ahead and take a look at the plants that grow in the coastal areas. Plants in regions like eastern and western sea coasts of South India receive high rainfall. These areas have very high rainfall in the monsoons. Coconut, rubber, and pepper are some plants that grow in these regions. The trees of such areas are evergreen and they usually have a large number of leaves. These trees do not shed their leaves in winter because they are evergreen. Some common varieties of plants that belong to the grass family are rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, sugarcane, bamboo, etc. Food for humans and animals. Now, let us take a look at the textual exercise on page number 15. Children, please go through the lesson up to page number 15, read it thoroughly and attempt the exercise.